Hi, I'm Johnny from Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out this Holman drop-down ladder rack on our Ford Transit mid-roof. Now this drop-down ladder rack installs on the passenger side, and there's also options to include the driver's side drop-down as well. Today we only have the passenger side. It also is available in aluminum or steel. Today we are using the aluminum rack. Now to open and close this rack, it's very easy. All you're gonna do is grab your handle and insert it into the handle area here and just drop it right down. Once it's dropped down, you can still pull it just a little bit lower. If there's a ladder on there, it would probably just pop right on down. You're able to slide it right back up into place. Loading your ladder up is very simple. Just putting on a rung there, here, and pulling it right back up. All right, when you're loading your ladder up, you're just gonna grab one of the rungs here and slide it back over to the back, pop it up on there, grab your handle, insert it, and swing it up. No need to go up there, use straps or anything like that. It is locked into place and is not going anywhere, keeping you and others safe as you travel down the road with your ladder. Even if you're vertically challenged like myself, Holman drop-down ladder rack makes things safe and easy. Now you can find products like this Holman drop-down ladder rack and more at upfitsupply.com.